Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 and we're gonna make the ears. First of all, we are going to start with the magic ring. The first change that we make doesn't count, and then we will make 6 single crochet in the magic ring. At the end of this round, you will have a total of 6 stitches. Now in round 2, we will be working in the spiral method. So to keep track of my stitches, I place a stitch marker in the first increase. I already have made my first stitch of increase. And I'm making the second stitch into the same stitch, that's first increase. Repeat this pattern 5 more times, which will give you a total of 12 stitches. Round 3 is going to be 1 single crochet and 1 increase times 6, which will give us a total of 18 stitches at the end of this round. I'm going to put the stitch marker back in the first stitch of this round. Round 4 to round 11. We will make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. At the end of each round, you will have a total of 18 stitches. The ear will look like this after you have completed all your rounds. Now for round 12, we will do 4 single crochet and 1 decrease 3 times. At the end of this round, you will have a total of 15 stitches. I've done my first single crochet. This is second, third single crochet, and the fourth one. I'm going to do visible decrease. Round 13, we will make one single crochet in each stitch around, giving us a total of 15 stitches. Next is round 14th, which will be 3 single crochet and 1 decrease times 3, leaving us with a total of 12 stitches. Round 15 to round 20, we will make one single crochet in each stitch around. At the end of each round, you will have a total of 12 stitches. The ear gonna look like this after completed all the rounds. To finish this off, make a slip stitch. If you want to attach the ears to the head using the same yarn, make sure to leave a long tail for attaching. But I like to use DK yarn for this because it holds the body part stronger and more secure. Now make a second ear by following the same pattern again. Once both ears are complete, join me in the next part and we will attach them to the head.